Hello everyone! Today we are going to start another new thing, the Bootstrap, a CSS and JavaScript framework, one of the best ones for front end, building sites, make it look good. The first thing I'm going to teach you guys is how to install it. The first method is by downloading it and adding it to your folder, for your website folder, but another very useful is by just putting in the head of your website the HTML file, paste the code I'm going to put in the description. You can find it online as well. It is composed by these 4 links, alright? And with this, the Bootstrap is already installed in your website. You can see that if I put something like hello and save it, it will roll in here, yes. You can already see that the font already changed, okay. And the first thing that I'm going to teach you guys in this video is going to be the container. So you want to create a div or something like that. Then you want to put a paragraph saying hello everyone. Hello everyone. But it is teaching both borders of the browser, in the top and the left. What do you want to do? You want to put class, and in the class you want to put container. Yes, container. Yeah. Two S's to the class, of course. And what does that do? It will add a padding and a margin in both sizes. It's only margin, I think, but it will increase the space between your text, your content, and the borders, left and right. Let me show you that the right border also goes like that. Wait, yes, there we go. It's the same size and it is responsive, of course. That's a fixed width, but with the container fluid it will go the whole page. It's almost touching it, but it's not touching it, you see, and it's responsive as well. Now, another thing that you can also do, doesn't matter if it's fluid or not, you can put the p even 3. It's around the padding and margin that it goes top and down. So you see, I will remove this again, okay, and with this it goes there. You can also just go p3. There's a lot of different measurements, way of measuring, right? But I will teach you like this for now. Now another thing I can do is putting instead of p3 you put just p3 and my 3 will change even a little bit. That's from the example I'm teaching you guys. And you can also add a border so you can see the thing around it. Why do you want that? Just for the sake of seeing it well in the white background. Okay. Now, if you want to make multiple rows, right, horizontal breaks, you just copy and paste this so you have the still same sizes in here, and you can also change a lot of things. Please don't remove this, right? Okay. Now we are going to change the color. Now to add a color, a background color, as an example, which is relatable to the buttons because there are presets of colors of buttons in Bootstrap. First one I'm going to use is the primary. It's blue. That blue and black doesn't look good, right? So you can also change the text color. You put text light, and the text became light. not white, but light. Now, the last one, I'm going to put putting a dark background. So you just put background dark with light text, so you can see it better. Okay, in here, as an example, you could put P3 in every single one, but it would look smaller. P3, it's good. MI is good, but just M also works. Okay, you can mess around this, but just mess in the first one or two, so you can copy and paste the rest of the page. And lastly, you can also use responsive containers. The SN, small, MD, medium, is going to appear like this container, alright. The normal container, not a fluid one, when the large and the XL will look like this in the container, normal, not fluid. Why? Because of the screen size. If you inspect it and it becomes a phone, everything will start from the left, because you cannot keeping space when the phone is smaller, right? The screen is smaller, you need to use better your space. You can search for it on Google, you can do your own research, but that's the basics of a container in Bootstrap. If you guys enjoyed, it's the first video about Bootstrap, but CSS is also very important, right? Hope you guys enjoyed and see you soon.